Hi guys, I'm Raven, a mental health enthusiast, and today we are on a trip, baby. That's right. So I'm gonna be giving you a little tour of the loft that me and my friends are gonna be staying in here in downtown Austin. Let's do this. Okay, so let's start from the front. This is the front door. When you walk in, the first thing is like a half bath. Y'all, isn't this view like crazy? This is what it looks like. I think this place can seat, let me see, or can sleep 2, 4, 6 plus. It can sleep a lot of people. So this is the bottom. It's a loft, right? It's loft style. And oh, you can, as you can see here, you can have people sleep there and there, and like what a vibe, right? When you open this closet, it's some extra pillows and blankets, which is perfect. All right, here's the kitchen. Perfect for a little slight turn up. Fridge. Cute little vibe. Let's see. Here's the view from the kitchen. When you're washing dishes, like slay me. Are you kidding? Slay me. Roku on deck. You already know what it is. Here's the living room. So nice. Let's check out the view from the living room. Let's see where we at downtown. Look at that. Look at that. And that is absolutely beautiful. Like what a vibe. What a vibe. Moving on over here, like you can even have someone sleep here if you want. If they're drunk enough, they can slump over here. There. This is the dining area. Soup's cute. Like, come on. I love this building right here. Such beautiful architecture. I don't know. I just like coming out here and looking like right down there. Look at that. Look at that little car. So beautiful, right? So that's the downstairs. Oh, I forgot to show you. This like bar area here. Seats kind of for people. Line up some alcohol around here or whatever. This is what it looks like when I'm standing. Let me scoot back all the way to this corner. And that's what it looks like. I love this little loft. I think it's so cute. Now let's go upstairs. So the first thing we see is this balcony so that you can go outside. I guess we'll go ahead and go out there. Let's see. So unlock, turn knob to the left and push handle down. Left, handle down. Wow, so pretty. Go back inside. I'm like loving this. So this is upstairs. So this, you can see I set up shop right over here. All this pink stuff, you know, that's me. That's my favorite color. 2 chairs here, nice little area. 2 beds to seat 2 people here. This is where, again, where I'll be staying. So in this closet, it's like a ton of, looks like pillows, blankets, and like extra mattresses, I think. Boom. You can like fit so many people here. Okay. A mirror. So here's a bathroom. This is a full bath. Full bath here. I don't know if y'all want to see this. I hate seeing bathrooms, but I mean, I know some people want to see it, so here it is. Ooh, ooh. Hi. I need to put my makeup on. And this is the bedroom. It's like the main bedroom. I mean, you guys, this is such a vibe. I am like obsessed. Look at this. It's so pretty. I mean, it's everything you need, right? Especially for a little rental. Note, there are 2 balconies here in this like master area. There's this one, and then there's this one. Look at that. Yeah. The views. It's the views for me. And yeah, we are directly on 6th Street. It's the views for me. It's the views for me. So pretty. This is what it looks like standing like directly here. There's a mirror there. Natural bodies, period. Period, 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 period. I don't know about the natural hair. Mind your business. Mind your business. Okay, guys, that's it. So yeah, this was a little, you know, loft tour of the place we're gonna be staying at here for the weekend. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm gonna start including more things like this that are just good for your mental health, like getting away with friends, you know, taking breaks from like real life. It's really important. So I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe check out the Lodge Well right here in Austin, Texas, and party it up with your friends. That's it. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this one. I'll see you next time. Bye.